welcome on my new car, and yeah, it's a Honda Civic, and I make a decision buy a screen protector for this GPS navigation for the car. I order from AliExpress and it's come very lovely packaging. It's come like this. It's been also sealed and very nice protection. Installation guide is on this side, where is the first clean properly, take off dust, fill it down, put the glass on. That's it. It's really simple, but it's big. That means not just simple, it's also hard. First of all, once you come, you open it and check it. That means here is probably some alcohol wipe, and this one is the glass itself. Should be okay. We are gonna firstly check it. Yeah, looks alright, and hopefully I will stick it. It should be on the correct position. Okay, let's go clean it first and you'll see how it looks like. Okay, we're gonna open this. Okay, we got a lovely cloth here. We got the dust absorber, and this should be alcohol pre-pad. I also bring this too because I've not been sure what is inside. That means, okay, it's a lovely alcohol wipe. Car should be much better than some interior because should be not too much dusty here. Once you clean, should be okay. Because usually when you fit screen protector on big screen like this, is usually so hard to do it. Be sure you gotta clean this middle of the part, the LCD, and no dust in, because that's where this glass, tempered glass, will go on. But yeah, it's more dust here than I think is it inside the car. Look at that, it's still dust. Okay, clean with dry clothes. Okay, once you happy with your clean, try take this dust absorber and take the rest of the dust out like this. This is always very hard to make sure there is no single dust. Yeah, should be okay, I think. And now we'll peel off this and make sure your feet where should be and counted before. Put on the middle, push up. Because it's not on the position, and take it off again. Slowly. push on the middle. More. And now from the middle on the side. Oh my god, it's not on the middle again. It's really hard to put on the right position. Now it's correct. And just be sure you got all bubble out. Just use the finger and now to take all air out. And it's nearly perfect. There is just only one bubble. I can take off, but maybe will be disappear over time. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is how it looks this is how it looks when you put the screen protector on your car GPS. I've got just only two bubble, which is one on the top here and one small here. This one top here, I will put the special liquid. I will bring down and use there, and that should be working because it's bubble on the top. And yeah, I like it. Looks good and is good protection. Hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe, and yeah, this is my new Honda Civic. As you can see, looks good. We will test if it's touch working. How it looks like. Yeah, light up. Yeah, it works.